So, got a little bit of a problem, you know?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Sometimes you get little battle scars in your car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Kind of goes straight through inside. That's my interior there.
Yeah, that's
I
not
tried
good.
pulling. Don't pour hot water on your bumpers, okay?
Yeah, or it does this. Look at that.
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
tried
God.
pulling it out. The hot water thing. It was late. It was dark. I didn't see what I was doing. I didn't realize what happened. So, you gotta get bondo. Bondo
Yep.
fixes everything. Okay?
So where are we going? Lordco or Princess Auto?
Both.
Both? Okay, sweet. Alright guys, we'll see you there. Is you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're enjoying the cheese? Alright, sweet. We're going to Lordco. Which way? Uphill or downhill? Uphill? Or downhill, my bad. Okay.
Right, so I got the what do you call it, stuff to redo the fender and stuff like that, rear quarter panel. Yeah, well, I'm doing this at Luca. Luca had to go home, so I'm filming this myself. I got the perfect match color paint. Got the clear coat. I wanted to like the Spray Max 2K clear one, but it was like $36, and I'm not paying $36 for that. I got assorted sandpaper, but I found out like the kit comes with sandpaper in it, so I think I'm gonna return these if I don't need it. Well, I'm gonna keep the 2000 grip. I might return this one because, yeah. Got 2000. I also got like extra bondo thing to do like the small stuff because there's like a few imperfections around the car I gotta do too. Yeah. And that's kind of all I got. This was all like $110. This stuff gets expensive quick. Like, I mean, like this was this was like $36. This was 15, and then each can was $17, I think. Yeah, each can was $17. So $17 for those two, and then this was like $6, and this was $6 as well. So yeah, things can be looking a little more mint. Okay, so here, last night I took off the bumper and stuff.
Yeah?
To get like this straightened out as best as I can.
Yeah.
What I tried doing is I pushed some of it in so like the bondo can fill it.
Yeah.
This is basically the line I'm basing it off of.
Yeah.
So hopefully that goes well. Yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Sweet.
On this side. I also sanding all this down so the bondo can cut through and stuff like that.
Yeah.
A few dents and dings around here. This dent here I have to fix. Basically, I'm just to sand all this off.
This
and
whole
paint
area.
this whole area because for some reason there's really bad scratch here. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Okay, so we got the sand here. Luca did some of the work over here. Luca sanded this part right at the filler here.
Oh yeah, I sanded it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Next is to put the body filler thing. Oh yeah, I almost forgot that part.
And this right here.
No, I'm changing it.
No.
I'm not
Yeah,
changing it.
okay.
I almost forgot. I would have been mad if I
I
forgot.
forgot about that too.
Okay, yeah. So.
Yes.
Okay. Mixing up bondo here.
Yeah.
After sanding. First, I didn't open it properly. On the glass first here.
Next.
I should be one gloves for this. I'm gonna get a pair of gloves quickly. Okay. That's completely empty. I'm gonna go get a pair of gloves quickly.
Yeah.
Sanding. Yeah, I'm sanding this down here.
Yeah?
I put my mask back on because it's kind of dusty. You know.
Let's probably put my mask back on too.
Here, I have a sponge here.
Yep.
It's like it kind of contours to the body.
Yeah.
And I don't sand down like too much of the wrong area.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's what's going on right now.
Yep. That's so far what we have now. Hey guys, primer.
Yeah, we got the primer going.
Yeah.
Mix it up. You got the parts.
So far, the outcome of what we did looks alright. It's really smooth too.
Yeah. Oh, I need paper or something to test.
Yeah. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Now I see mistakes already. Oh no.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking at it. I can see all the like issues with it.
Yeah, you know what? I see it too now.
Oh, I don't want to have to redo it over. But if I paint over it, it's gonna look like shit.
This line right here.
All those things you don't see. That's the thing, when you don't see them until you paint actually paint over it. I'll figure that out in a minute.
I don't think it looks bad though.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad. I mean, it's like I don't think anyone's even gonna notice this little mark right there, just because of the dark paint. I don't think you're gonna
Yeah,
notice.
again, it's a dark paint where you don't notice until you have to go up a close look at it.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is the aftermath. Well, not aftermath, but what it looks like after.
Has all the primer and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, we can agree it's not the best, but it's...
There's a few imperfections, like right here.
Let's see if I can zoom. Yeah, right there, and then we got some right here.
Yeah, and then down here I have a few.
Down here. I mean, we're trying to fill it right now. It'll look better afterwards.
Yeah.
And we got some over here too. Actually, this side isn't bad at all. It's fairly clean, actually.
Yeah.
Yep. Guys, so this is what it looks like after we put the paint and the clear coat on. First it was wet sanded, then Alexis put the clear coat on, or sorry, no, the paint and then the clear coat. Now we're just waiting for it to dry. On this side, he just used the paint for now, waiting for it to dry. And then he also painted the fender here a little bit. We're waiting for that. We're waiting for that to dry first, and then we're going to use a clear coat on it. And the door, as he's getting a new door, so yeah.
Just paint on there's just temporary, like the cover up for the rust spots and whatever.
Just don't want anyone seeing it. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's our progress so far.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah. All right, so I guess that's a wrap of the video.
Yeah.
Okay, so finished. As you can see, did not come out good at all. I ended up just scrapping. Like first, it came out there's a bunch of like white here, clear coat. Something happened to the clear coat. I don't understand. So I just decided to paint the whole thing here because like it was just hard lines. I couldn't get the sand down. So I just did it up until there. This side came out a little better. I mean, you can still see like the hard line. But I tried doing like the thing where you roll the paper and it fades in. It didn't really work. I sanded it a bunch, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and then 5,000 in cut and polish. It won't stay in there for some reason. Okay. Yeah. I'm telling you right now, I don't recommend this at all. Or I don't know. I don't know where I messed up or something. I just didn't work for me. So yeah, that's my outcome with this.
So like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy our content, and we'll keep you updated on how the camera is doing so far. Soon we're getting some what's called new springs and struts, and yeah, I guess we'll do an episode on that. So yeah, see you guys.